In this part of the form, they're going to ask you questions associated with managing your treatments. It is important to note that the PIP2 form cannot be completed online. It must be a paper form that is sent to you from the DWP. For more information on how to get this form, contact Dash on 020 884 88319. In this part of the form, they're going to ask you about how you manage your treatments. This includes monitoring changes in your health condition or disability, for example, your blood sugar level, mental state, or pain levels, taking medication in the right way and at the right time, managing therapies that take place at home, which have been recommended by a health professional or pharmacist, for example, physiotherapy or home dialysis. Question 5A is a tick box question. Question 5A asks you whether your condition affects you managing treatments. If it does not, please tick the no box and move on to question 6. If it does, tick the yes box and continue to question 5. Question 5 allows you to go into more detail and elaborate more on how your condition or disability affects your treatment management. In this section, you can include the types of aids you need and what for. When answering this question, think about the difficulties you have with monitoring changes in your health condition or disability and taking medication and how you manage them. Beneath the question, there are bullet points and examples that help you to answer this question. Use this to your advantage to ensure that you include as much detail as you can, as the more detail you include, the better understanding the DWP will have of how your condition or disability affects your daily life. If you downplay or exaggerate your condition, it could have a negative impact on your application. If you need any further assistance with the completion of this form, please contact Dash on 020 884 88319, or alternatively, email them at info@dash.org.uk.